To use Apple Pay with a phone number, you need to have a compatible Apple device and a bank card that supports Apple Pay. First, open the Wallet app on your device and tap the plus sign to add a new card. Select Continue and choose the type of card you want to add, such as a credit or debit card. Next, enter your card details, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. You may also be asked to provide additional verification information, such as your name and address. Once you have entered your card details, tap Next and wait for your bank to verify the information. After your card has been verified, you can use Apple Pay to make payments using your phone number. To do this, open the Wallet app and select the card you want to use. Tap the Pay button and enter the amount you want to send. You will then be asked to enter the recipient's phone number. Type in the recipient's phone number and tap Pay. You will be asked to confirm the payment using Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. Once the payment has been confirmed, it will be sent to the recipient's Apple Pay account. It is essential to note that both you and the recipient must have Apple Pay set up on your devices to use this feature. Additionally, the recipient must have their phone number registered with Apple Pay to receive the payment. To ensure secure transactions, always keep your device and Apple Pay account information up to date. Regularly review your transaction history to detect any suspicious activity and report it to your bank immediately. Using Apple Pay with a phone number is a convenient and secure way to make payments. And by following these steps, you can start using this feature right away.